This video is a walkthrough of how to complete evaluation actions in the Perform system. To begin, let's go over how to find the forms you will use for your self-evaluation. Go to My Folder, Tasks. You should then see your self-evaluation forms for the fall. As a staff member, you are responsible for completing forms to self-evaluate yourself on goals, as well as score yourself on the core competencies. To complete the forms assigned to you, click on Go to Form for the task you want to complete. Let's walk through each of them together. Let's start with goal attainment. Note that this form is pre-populated with your goals and fall milestones. To complete this form, score each goal using the established criteria. For each goal, you will also be required to include any available evidence that supports either your achievement of your milestones and, if available, trend data related to the goal. To insert a link into the document, click Ctrl-K and paste the URL for your document. Your manager will be reviewing this information as part of their goal scoring process. For further instructions on how to paste links, please see the video tutorial linked at the top of each evidence box. Once you hit Save Progress, you will see the overall evaluation score calculation at the bottom of the form. Until you are certain you have finished the form, you should continue clicking Save Progress to save your work. Once you are done, you can click Save and Submit. Once you click Save and Submit, your manager will have visibility into your form, and you will no longer be able to edit the form without contacting your manager to unlock it. Please save this step until you know you are done. Now let's move on to the core competencies form. This form contains the entire core competencies rubric. To complete this form, you will need to provide a rating 1 through 4 for each indicator within a competency. Once you've done that for the competency, you will then be asked if you should earn a level 5 on that competency. Remember that in order to receive a level 5, all of your indicator ratings for that competency should have been 4s, and you should meet all the additional level 5 descriptors for that competency. Lastly, you will be asked to provide supporting narrative and links to any documentation or data to support your competency level rating. Just as in the goals form, to insert a link into a document, click Ctrl-K and paste in the URL for your document. You will repeat this process for each of the 6 core competencies. Note, you will not see the score calculations for any of the competencies until you click Save Progress. Once you've completed your scores and rationale for all 6 competencies and click Save Progress, you will see your overall competency evaluation score at the bottom of the form. Note, once you click Save and Submit, you will no longer be able to make edits to the form without contacting your manager to unlock it. Your manager will also have visibility to the form as soon as you click Save and Submit. Save this step until you know you are done. Now let's talk about the fall evaluation form that will be completed by your manager. Once your manager has completed their evaluation of you, your fall evaluation form will appear in Perform for you to review. You should also receive an email letting you know that it's ready. To locate your manager's evaluation, click on My Form, History. Once you do so, you will see your manager's fall evaluation form for you listed. To view that evaluation, click view. Now, how do you know when you're done? You're done when you can no longer see any tasks in your incomplete tasks screen. You can also check to make sure you see your completed forms in your History tab.